Hello guys, in today's episode we are to solve a first order linear differential equation that says dy dx minus 3y equals to 0. We have different ways to solve this. I can use the method of integrating factor or the method of separation of variable. So for this episode I'll be using the method of separation of variable, which let me write and let's see what we can do. Dy dx minus 3y equals to 0 using the method of separation of variables, since it can work. In the coming episode I would like to teach you different ways on how to solve this particular question, or how to solve differential equation in general. So but for now, let's focus on method of separation of variable. So for this I can write this to be dy over dx is equals to 3y, right? Let's cross multiply, so I can have something like dy equals to 3y dx, so that we can divide both sides by, let's divide both sides by y, right? By so doing, I'm going to have dy over y is equals to 3 dx. So you see why I said I'll use the method of separation of variable is because you see I have dy on one side and I have dx on one side, right? So clearly I can integrate both sides of this, so I can have something like integral of dy, sorry, this is over y, to be equals, let me write this clearly, over y equals to integral of 3 dx, right? So that we'll have, if you integrate 1 over y is something as a natural log of y. I won't put a plus c on the left, I'll put it on the right hand side, to be equals to, if you integrate 3 dx it's going to be 3x. I can put my plus c right now, let's just put it, yes, plus c, constant of integration. But remember, we are solving for the y, like we are solving for the whole function that will satisfy what they said here, right? So now I can take the exponential on both sides. What I mean is exponential of ln y to be equals to exponential of 3x plus c, right? Now clearly exponential always cancels out the natural log, and I'll be left with y to be equals to exponential 3x plus c, right? There's something I would love to do here. I would love to split this part from the law of indices. Recall that, let me just give a brief reminder. If you have something like a power x plus y is always equals to a power x times a power y, right? So I want to do similar thing here. I want to do similar stuff. So this is y equals to exponential, this is 3x multiplied by exponential c, right? Based on the condition here. Clearly I can write it to be y equals to c exponential 3x. Why I'm putting c, exponential c is going to be a constant, so if I rewrite it to be c, it's still a constant. So I can just conclude that therefore y is equals to some constant times exponential 3x is a solution to the differential equation given. We can use the method of integrating factor to solve this. It will still yield the same result. So thanks for watching, and see you in the coming episodes.